Hi everyone, today I have a deck review on the Bicycle Quicksilver playing cards by Circle City Cards. You can get this deck at Bmpokerworld.com by clicking the link in the description. In case some of you don't know, Quicksilver is a term used to describe the liquid form of the element mercury. Let's start by looking at the box. The front of the box says Bicycle Quicksilver playing cards. There is embossing on the words bicycle and Quicksilver, as well as the spade. And there is silver foiling on the box, which makes it really stand out and pop. On one side it says Circle City Card Company, Indianapolis, Indiana. And on the other side it says Magic Finish, made in the USA. On the bottom there's some manufacturing information as well as a QR code that is a 7 of Hearts reveal. The back shows the back design. We have a custom Quicksilver seal. On the top it says poker, and we see some numbers that are covered up as well as a Jack of Hearts. There's some more copyright information on the flap, and we see some Quicksilver symbols. On the back design there is a symbol for the planet Mercury, and there are wings on the side of the symbol, and along the outside of that there's a blue swirl type design. The deck comes with a double back card as well as a Gath card. There's also 2 jokers that have that Mercury or Quicksilver symbol. It is a silver color, and there are some blue circle designs around that. The Ace of Spades has the same pip that is on the front of the box. There's a Mercury symbol again in the middle of the pip. The other aces have larger pips. These are the court cards. They have a standard look to them except for the color. So there's just a lot of grays and blues, and the faces on them are very angry looking. And we'll actually take a look at the colors that they chose here on these cards. The clubs and the spades have a sort of gray color. The hearts and the diamonds have a blue color. They have sort of a textured look. Okay, now let's go on to handling. The deck has a magic finish and a bicycle stock. I really like that they went with the magic finish because that finish is just a lot more smooth and durable, and it handles just a lot better than just a standard air cushion finish. The fanning is really good. A lot of times with black decks you get a lot of clumping, but so far this deck has held up very well with fans. The spreads are also very smooth. Here's a shuffle and a spring. They're very springy, and they dribble with ease. They faro very well. You have to be kind of careful with farrowing because of the blacks, of the black color. The cards do chip quicker than other cards would, and it's more noticeable. And you can kind of see that already. And that just kind of makes the cards not look as nice with time. You know, they get chipped and you start to see that. But there's a giant fan. I really like the design that results from the giant fan. But anytime you have a deck with black borders, you do have a problem with that chipping of the ink. I've heard that you can actually kind of correct it with a black Sharpie if you need to, but I don't know how well that works because I've never tried it. Okay, and now for a quick overview of what I've said. For look, the use of the Mercury symbol really sets the theme for the Quicksilver playing cards, and the color choices were an excellent choice. Personally, I wasn't a big fan of the faces of the court cards, but I know some of you might like them a lot. And you have to be a little bit more careful when you use the deck because of the possibility of chipping. But for handling, the magic finish is just excellent. It's really durable and it handles beautifully. That is my review of the Quicksilver playing cards by Circle City Cards. If you would like to add this deck to your collection, you can pick it up at Bmpokerworld by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.